Smack. No, well, step back a little bit if you're gonna be at that angle. Smack this right here that way.
Like this?
Yep. Well, keep the hands a little further apart. Yeah. You don't have to take such a big, wild swing. You can go a little closer.
Come on, Brian. You got this.
Yeah. There it is.
That cabinet so big.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? When the spices don't go in the cabinets right, we break them down.
I want to do that.
There you go. Go ahead.
Are you filming me? Filming you?
Damn it.
Hey, so whoever swings the hammer cleans the floor, you know, right?
All right, get out of the way. I don't want to kill anyone. What side do I use?
Either one, it doesn't matter.
I can't. I don't have any more storage on my phone.
Yeah. She's joining our team. Watch that top part so it don't fall or kick back at you.
Wait, can I get that?
Yeah.
No,
Like this? No, this is gonna swing and hit you.
Yeah, it's already loose.
Wait.
Take that, yeah.
Hit this way.
Okay. I'm not very strong with this arm.
Strong enough.
Yep, got it.
I love the running sword again.
Go, girl.
Wait, hold on. Let me
Get that top part. Yeah. This is why you got glasses on.